You eat sugar every day, but do you know what it actually does to your brain? Every spoonful doesn't just sweeten your taste buds, it rewires your mind. Today we're breaking down how sugar hijacks your brain and how you can take back control. When you eat something sweet, a donut, a soda, or even healthy cereal, your brain lights up. It releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel good when you laugh, fall in love, or achieve something great. But here's the catch. Sugar gives your brain a massive dopamine spike, bigger and faster than most natural rewards. And once that spike fades, your dopamine crashes. That's when you crave more. Not because you're weak, but because your brain wants that high again. This is where things get tricky. The more sugar you eat, the more your brain adapts by reducing its dopamine receptors. That means the same amount of sugar gives you less pleasure over time. It's a loop. Crave, eat, reward, crash, crave again. Your brain becomes wired to repeat it, just like other addictive behaviors. It's not just about the candy bar, it's about the chemistry inside your skull. Over time, constant sugar spikes do more than just increase cravings. They affect focus, energy, and even memory. High sugar intake has been linked to inflammation in the hippocampus, the part of your brain that helps you learn and store new memories. That's why after a sugar binge, you might feel foggy, tired, or moody. The truth? Your brain is overloaded, literally running on the wrong kind of fuel. But there's good news. You can reset your brain's reward system. Here's how. Start your day with protein, not sugar. Breakfast sets your dopamine rhythm. A high-protein meal keeps it steady. Drink water before you snack. Sometimes your brain confuses thirst with hunger. Get enough sleep. When you're tired, your brain demands quick energy, and sugar is the easiest target. Reward yourself differently. Learn to find pleasure in progress, not pastries. These small changes teach your brain that energy doesn't have to come from sweetness, it comes from balance. Sugar isn't evil, it's just powerful. And like anything powerful, it needs to be used wisely. Your brain is designed for balance, not extremes. Feed it well, treat it with respect, because when your brain is fueled right, everything else falls into place. Thanks for watching Mind Fuel Health, where science meets everyday living. Subscribe for more ways to feed your brain and live smarter.